So I grabbed these wood shadow boxes from Michael's. The brand is Art Minds. And I found them at the front of the store by the register, and they were $1 a piece. And they came with this little jute hanger that I'm just going to use some painter's tape to tape down so it's not in my way. And using an art brush and some Wise Owl black, I painted the entire shadow box on the outside rim. And then I did the inlay. This part, you do not have to do the entire part as we're going to cover that. But I painted a majority of the box. Next, I grabbed some scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. And I got 2 different patterns. And I'm going to measure the inside inlay and cut a piece of scrapbook paper that will fit perfectly on the inside. This was 4 inches. And once I knew that fit good, I took the same piece and traced it because I have 2 square shadow boxes. And then I took my second piece of scrapbook paper and I cut that to fit the inside of the rectangle shadow box. And I'm just using my ruler, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. And I also have a rotary cutter. Now, around Christmas time, Dollar General had this wooden house set. It was for $3, and the houses sit on that wood slatted piece. And I'm going to put that aside. And I'm just going to take the 3 houses and the trees, and I'm going to paint everything but the trees with the Wise Owl Snow Owl. And I'm going to use some Wise Owl dry thyme for my pine trees. And I'm also going to paint the tree that is on the side of the house here. And I'm going to allow everything to dry. I took my hot glue gun and the pieces of scrapbook paper that I cut out, and I'm going to secure them on the inside of the shadow box. And then I'm going to take my small house and the pine trees, and I'm going to glue the pine trees on the inside of the shadow box, and then I'm going to stick the house on the right corner of the shadow box. And there's our first box. Now the next one, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to lay the scrapbook paper on the inside. And guys, you can use any style scrapbook paper that fits your decor. And then I'm going to take the next building. I feel like this could even be a church. And I'm going to put it on the right corner of this shadow box. And now if you cannot find this little set or didn't grab it around Christmas time, I feel like you could find other little small figures to lay on the corners. And I just thought this was a very easy and inexpensive craft idea using these dollar shadow boxes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also find some tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.